In this tutorial, we'll pair the primary and secondary connection boxes. Hold the OK button until Zone 1 starts flashing red. Go to Zone 2 to link the secondary box to the primary box. Select by pressing OK. Now put the other connection box in RF mode. Hold the OK button until Zone 1 starts flashing red. Go to Zone 3 to link the primary box to the secondary box. Press OK. This is now paired. Go back by pressing the left arrow key. On the other connection box, Zone 2 will also flash red, indicating that they are paired. Again, go back by pressing the left arrow key.